Hey everybody, David Ursino here. Although I'm away, I can still do the Vaughan real estate market update. So today's actually October 5th, and the Market Watch report came out on October 3rd, a couple of days ago, that looks at the health of the real estate market in Vaughan for the month of September. So what happened? Well, the biggest thing is the average price of a home in Vaughan. It shot up to just over 681,000. That's actually the highest it's ever been. So that's one thing that really stands out. The other thing that stands out is the amount of sales we had in the month of September. We are looking at a 26% increase year over year. So huge amount of sales. So really active and busy fall market, which is fantastic. What else? The average days on market right now is sitting at 27 days, and homes on average are selling for 97% of asking price. If you want to see this stuff in a graph format, go to my website, davidursino.com. You'll see a market update section or market stats section, and you can see it all laid out in graph to give you some context. That's it for me. If you have any questions about this or anything else related to Vaughan Real Estate, by all means, shoot me an email. I'm at info@davidursino.com. Thanks very much. Have yourself a great day.